Hi all, this is the Godwoken Reclaim Tool tutorial. The first step you want to do is you want to connect your wallet. So to connect your wallet, you got to go to nervape.com, and then you want to navigate to the icon here. It could say connect here, or it could say could be a hamburger icon. So I'll click on that, and then you want to click on connect. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is go to Godwoken and Ethereum. All right, cool. And you see here MetaMask, and you want to connect your MetaMask account. Now for some people, like for instance, if you're on Chrome, you have to go to this puzzle icon, and from the puzzle icon click on here, and then make sure that you have for Chrome you have your MetaMask app or plugin installed. If you're on your phone, you'll need the MetaMask app. Okay, you may need to load your MetaMask app first, so you need to click reload and connect. Then your MetaMask account will show up. Do that, then you can go ahead and connect your account. So connect the one that has your Nervapes. So connect. Great. Then I go back to this icon here, and I go connect to my Nervape assets. All right. Then you'll see this pop-up here, Godwoken Reclaim Tool. Godwoken Sunset is scheduled for October 31st, 2025. To help you preserve your valuable 3D NFTs or 3D assets, we'll airdrop a DOB version on CKB Layer 1 of each Nervape 3D NFT on Godwoken that you reclaim. Please complete your reclaim before blah blah blah. So quick update for you all, the deadline to reclaim will be October 24th, 2025, 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. Reclaim DOBs will be dropped within 1 week after the Godwoken sunset. Okay, so about 1 week after October 31st. Before receiving the DOB version of your Nervape 3D NFT, we strongly recommend that you do not buy or sell any Nervape 3D NFT assets to avoid potential fraud. Click Go to Reclaim below to access the Godwoken Reclaim Tool. Okay, so I'm going to click Go to Reclaim. Here you can see for this account that we have 3 Nervape 3D assets. I've already reclaimed this one in a previous tutorial. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to reclaim this one right here. So I'm going to go here. You see here I'm on the 3D NFT tab, and here it says Godwoken Sunset, reclaim before. Once the Godwoken Reclaim Tool is live, that will be replaced with a real date. Here, do bulk action reclaim. So bulk action means I can select all. Here you can see I'm selecting all, and here you can see 2 selected and material 126 CKB. So what that means is that with these 2 NFTs selected, it will cost me 126 CKB to reclaim them. Quick update, each NFT will cost 350 CKB to reclaim. It's different from what is being displayed on the screen, but just so you know that each NFT will cost 350 CKB to reclaim. So that's a few dollars each. Luckily for me, I have 192 here, so that's fine. But for today's tutorial, I'm just gonna select this guy here. So uncheck this one. So I'm gonna reclaim this one. Again, if you wanna reclaim all of them, you click select all. All right, I'm gonna reclaim one 3D NFT here. So click on reclaim. Now, what pops up here is the payment address. So I'm reclaiming one NFT. That's going to cost me 63 CKB. Okay. Now, as you can see, we have 2 options. We have our inventory address or the Godwoken address. If I click the Godwoken address, which has a balance of 0 CKB, what's going to happen is insufficient balance. You need at least 63 CKB to reclaim these NFTs, right? So I'm going to click on inventory address because I have 192 CKB. So great. So I'm going to click on inventory address and click next. Now I'm going to click on reclaim recipient address. Now, which one of these should I select? We recommend here at Nervape that you click on inventory address. The reason being is that this address will be on CKB layer 1 and it will not be on the sunsetting blockchain Godwoken, which is this address here. Our recommendation is that you select inventory address, okay? For those who are, here to reclaim their NFTs onto the CKB blockchain. So we recommend inventory address, all right? And here you can see, attention, we strongly recommend that you reclaim your NFTs to your inventory address, as Godwoken is being phased out and will no longer be supported by secondary markets. So inventory address, click confirm. Okay, then there's a signature that will pop up, that will come up. You want to go ahead and click confirm. And then it may ask you twice, so go ahead and click confirm one more time. And there you have it, simple. Now you can see here on this icon that the green check mark is done, and that means that this one, as well as this one, which I reclaimed before, there will be a new DOB of this version of this NFT on the CKB blockchain. So there you go. That's it for the reclaim process. If I want to reclaim this one, this NFT here, the blue ape there, click on reclaim here and then select that one and go through the process again, making sure that I have enough CKB to reclaim. So there you have it. That's the reclaim tool. If you have any questions, be sure to join us on Discord. Quick review, Godwoken Reclaim Tool. Deadline is Friday, October 24th, 2025, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. It costs 350 CKB per NFT to reclaim, and the reclaimed NFTs will be dropped within 1 week after October 31st of the Godwoken sunset. So thank you again and take care.